Hello and welcome back. It's your girl T, and for today's video I'm just showing you guys how I go about taking my locks from being straight just like this to giving it a little bit more texture just like this. So if you're interested in how I achieve these results, do continue watching. So to start, I'm just showing you guys all the products that I will be using during the duration of this video. Everything can pretty much be found at a beauty supply store. But that's just my aloe juice with some bergamot essential oil in it, and then you really don't need that many scrunchies, but I had that many. So first off, I just start off by sectioning off my hair. That's about the first two sections, about how much I took out. If you want your waves to be more defined, just make the section smaller, but I am fine with this just because it saves me a lot of time. That's how much mousse I use, but it just saves me a lot of time when the sections are bigger as opposed to being smaller. If I wanted like the ultimate definition, I would have braided it with 3 locks at a time. But yeah, as you see, I'm just braiding down, and then sometimes toward the end I can't always get my locks to like fit inside there, so I just do the best I can, and you'll see that with a couple of other ones. But I actually washed my hair like 2 hours before this, so my hair doesn't need too much moisture, which is why you see me spraying the aloe vera juice kind of lightly, and I'm not really putting any oil. But like before doing this, please just moisturize your hair. Do not style on dry hair. Yeah, that's one of the pieces that just don't fit in. I just find a way to just push it in. If it pops out, I just accept that and let it be, because I'm not about to fight my hair. I left that back in my loose natural days. We're not about to go back to that. So I just accept it. The texture still comes out just fine. Always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you. As far as the amount of mousse, you use it to your discretion. Like if you want a stronger hold, just use more mousse pretty much. One thing I'll say is the thicker the section, the harder it can be to tuck those ends in, but I just do the best I can, and as you see, I just left that out because it doesn't really affect the style that much. Pieces may be sticking out here and there, but like I said, it still comes out fine to me, so I just continue. But ultimately, the braids are just going to give that nice wavy texture. It really doesn't matter the size of them. Smaller is just giving more definition, like I said. And then now here we look like Felicia from Friday. But wait, I have something to show y'all. If y'all don't know, this is like a little hooded dryer attachment. This is going to change your life if you don't know about it. But literally, you just go ahead and strap it on your head. It has a little adjustable band so you can close it off. It has that little hole right there. That's where the nozzle of your blow dryer goes, and literally just like that, you have a hooded dryer. It gets the job done, and I sat with this on my head for about 40 minutes before I took it off. And then here we are after the fact. So I'm just coating my hands with my jojoba oil. It's mixed with bergamot essential oils, and this is after my wash day that I'm actually doing this, so my hair really doesn't need that much oil. I just put oil to take out those braids. And always use scissors or something to cause the least amount of stress and tension and just make it easier to take those rubber bands out. But as you see, I'm just unraveling those braids, and already I have that lightly wavy texture because of how thick the braids actually were. after all the braids are out, I like to shake up my roots just to go ahead and separate those sections. I'm getting my life together, getting them braids out, because girl, tension is a real thing. But doing a braid out is such a good hack when you're not trying to retwist your hair. It's just another way to add a little bit more volume and some more style. And then I'm just cleaning up my edges. But that really completes the look. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one.